Hello and welcome to our video about some amazing facts about space. Space is one of the most fascinating and mysterious subjects that humans have ever explored. It's a vast expanse that stretches beyond our imagination and has captured our curiosity for centuries. In this video, we'll explore some mind-bending facts about space that will blow your mind. Firstly, did you know that space is completely silent? Unlike on Earth, there is no sound in space because there is no air or atmosphere to carry sound waves. This means that astronauts cannot hear each other's voices outside of their spacesuits. Imagine being in a world where there is no sound at all. It's hard to fathom. Another interesting fact about space is that it's not actually completely empty. It is filled with gas, dust, and other particles. These particles may be tiny, but they can pose a significant threat to spacecraft and astronauts in space. Even the smallest particle can cause damage to a spacecraft at high speeds. This is why spacecraft are designed with protective shields and materials to minimize the risk of damage. Space is also full of radiation. Cosmic rays, solar radiation, and other forms of radiation are constantly bombarding everything in space. This is why astronauts must be protected by special suits and spacecraft are equipped with radiation shielding. These measures are necessary to protect the human body from the harmful effects of radiation, which can cause radiation sickness, cancer, and other health problems. One of the most mind-bending facts about space is that time is relative. This means that time can pass at different rates depending on how fast you are moving and how strong the gravity is. This is known as time dilation and has been proven by experiments on Earth and in space. The closer you are to a massive object like a planet or a black hole, the slower time passes. This means that if you were to travel close to the speed of light and then return to Earth, you would find that time has passed more slowly for you than for people on Earth. In space, there are regions called Lagrange points where gravity is extremely weak. These points are extremely useful for space missions because spacecraft can be positioned there with minimal energy and can remain in a stable position. There are 5 Lagrange points in total, and they have been used for a variety of space missions including satellites, space telescopes, and other scientific instruments. There are objects in space that are so large and massive that they are classified separately from planets. These objects are known as dwarf planets, and one example is Pluto. Dwarf planets are not large enough to have cleared their orbit of other debris, and therefore are not considered full-fledged planets. Some more facts. There is a black hole in space known as the Boötes void. It's so massive that 10,000 galaxies could fit inside it. The largest space station in the world, the International Space Station, was launched in 1998 and weighs 925,335 pounds, which is 420 metric tons. If you were in space, your blood would start to pool in one direction due to zero gravity. That's why astronauts need to exercise in space to maintain proper blood circulation. There is a planet in space called HD 189733b, and it's blue in color. This planet is so hot that its temperature reaches up to 1700 degrees Celsius. If you were to travel through space at a speed faster than light, your time would slow down, a phenomenon known as time dilation. There is a supermassive black hole in our Milky Way galaxy called Sagittarius A*. The stars around this black hole orbit so fast that they can travel around the entire galaxy in just 10 minutes while spinning on their own axis. The last fact is that there is a planet in space called Kepler 438b, and it has an atmosphere made of carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrogen gas. Scientists call this planet Earth's cousin because its size and temperature are very similar to Earth. These were just a few of the amazing facts about space. We hope you found this video interesting and informative. If you know any other fascinating facts about space, please share them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.